ह्यूमन इव्होल्यूशन मानवी उत्क्रांती. Last dinosaurs disappeared approximately 7 crore years ago. 7 crore years ago, last dinosaurs disappeared. How and why, that is not our question now. We have to just see the human evolution, how human being evolved. So, before 7 crore years ago, last dinosaurs disappeared. At that time, monkey like animals are said to be evolved from some ancestor who were more or less similar to the modern lemur. Modern lemur is an animal, uh, somewhat it looks like leopard, but not like leopard, but somewhat it looks like leopard. So that lemur, it lives on the tree. So that from similar to the modern lemur, that was the animal present at that time. It was from that lemur an animal is evolved which was looking like monkey. Monkey like animal evolved from an animal which was similar to the modern lemur, and that lemur was our first ancestor. Tail of these monkey like animals of Africa is said to be disappeared about 4 crore years ago. It has tail. That animal, monkey like animal, had tail, but that tail disappeared about 4 crore years ago. They developed due to enlargement in brain. Their hands were also improved, and thus ape-like animals were evolved. At first, what changes occurred? Enlargement of brain. And second change was hands also improved. And these two changes occur in them, and that's why ape-like animal were evolved. Meanwhile, these ape-like animals, now see their location, where were they? Meanwhile, these ape-like animals reach the South and Northeast Asia in Asia, but where? South Asia and Northeast Asia, and finally evolve into gibbon and orangutan. Means from that ape-like animal in Asia, South and Northeast Asia, gibbon and orangutan, they were evolved. See how slowly changes occurring. Remaining ape-like animals stayed in Africa, and from them gorilla and chimpanzee evolved about 2.5 crore years ago. In Asia, gibbon and orangutan, and in Africa, gorilla and chimpanzee evolved about 2.5 crore years ago. Evolution of some of the 2 crore year old species of apes seems to be occurred in different way. Before 2 crore years ago, old species of apes were evolved in different ways. They had to use their hands more for eating food and other work. They had to use their hands more. They started, or they had to use, it was compulsory for them to use their hands more for eating food and for other work. Now this is in Marathi. सुमारे 7 कोटी वर्षापूर्वी अखेरचे डायनासोर नाहीसे झाले. तेव्हा माकडासारखे प्राणी त्यांच्याहूनही प्राचीन अशा थोड्याफार आजच्या आधुनिक लेम्यूरप्रमाणे दिसणाऱ्या प्राण्यांपासून विकसित झाले असावे. 4 कोटी वर्षांपूर्वी आफ्रिकेतील या माकडांसारख्या प्राण्यांच्या शेपट्या नाहीशा झाल्या. किती वर्षापूर्वी बघा, 7 कोटी वर्षापूर्वी लेमूरपासून माकडासारखा ॲनिमल निर्माण झाला. 4 कोटी वर्षापूर्वी शेपट्या नाहीशा झाल्या आफ्रिकेतल्या. आणि दुसरा पण बदल झाला की त्यांच्या मेंदूचा आकार मोठा होऊन त्याचा विकास झाला. हाताच्या पंजात सुधारणा झाली आणि ते एपसारखे प्राणी झाले. हे स्टेप लक्षात ठेवा. मेंदूचा आकार मोठा झाला, शेपट्या नाहीशा झाल्या, हाताच्या पंजात सुधारणा झाली आणि ते एपसारखे म्हणजे शेपटी नसलेल्या वानराप्रमाणे ते झाले. कालांतराने हे सुरुवातीचे एपसारखे कपी, एप म्हणजे कपी प्राणी दक्षिण आणि आग्नेय आशियात पोचले आणि अखेर गिबन आणि ओरँगुटानमध्ये त्यांचे रूपांतर झाले. आशियामधल्या एपपासून कोणते प्राणी निर्माण झाले? गिबन आणि ओरँगुटॅन. तुम्ही आजही आपण पाहतो हे प्राणी. आता उरलेले जे आफ्रिकेतच राहिलेले होते त्यांच्यापासून 2 कोटी 50 लाख वर्षापूर्वी चिंपांझी आणि गोरिला उदयास आले. सुमारे 2 कोटी वर्षापूर्वीच्या एपच्या काही जातींची प्रगती वेगळ्या दिशेने झाल्याचे दिसते. अन्न ग्रहण करण्यासाठी आणि इतर कामांसाठी त्यांना हातांचा अधिक वापर करावा लागेल. नंतर आणखीन 50 लाख वर्षापूर्वी त्यांच्यामध्ये असे बदल झाले की ज्यामुळे त्यांना आपल्या हातांचा जास्तीत जास्त वापर करणं सोयीस्कर व्हायला लागलं. कोरड्या होत जाणाऱ्या हवामानामुळे जेव्हा जंगले नाहीशी होऊ लागली तेव्हा हे एप झाडावरून वास्तव्यासाठी खाली आले आणि त्यांच्या कमरेच्या हाडांचा अशा तऱ्हेने विकास झाला की ते केव्हाही हात